Arguably, the most exotic part of the body is the abs, but most of us find it really hard to get our abs toned. Well, the problem doesn't always lie in the efforts, but where you put those efforts. So, today in this episode of Genius Insight, I'll be guiding you with the best 6 exercises to turn your belly into fully toned abs in just a few weeks. Before moving on with the video, consider subscribing to our channel. That'll be super helpful. Let's get started. Number 1, hard style plank. Lie face down on the ground, prop yourself up into a forearm plank position. Your forearms should be parallel to one another. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds per set. The key is to squeeze your entire body, quads, glutes, core, back, and fists as tight as possible while taking diaphragmatic breaths throughout the hold. Number 2, dead bug. Lay face up on the floor with arms straight above your shoulders. Perform simultaneous action as shown in the video. Make sure your lower back stays in contact with the floor and try to keep your breathing as regular as possible. Number 3, hollow extension to cannonball. Get into a cannonball type shape on your back, hugging your knees into your chest simultaneously. Extend your legs and arms outward into a hollow position. Pressing your lower back to the floor, hold for 5 seconds before curling up again. Engage as much as possible during the extension phase, and use the cannonball for recovery. Number 4, dumbbell side bend. Hold the dumbbell in your one hand, palm facing inwards towards the torso. Keep your back straight, activate your core, and then bend to the side as far as possible, but only at the waist. Using reasonable weights will help focus on keeping your abs tight during the exercise for maximum results. And keep that tempo nice and slow. Number 5, barbell back squat. Perform normal back squats with an empty barbell just as shown in the video. Think about maintaining tension in your abs throughout the entire movement. Once you have the movement mastered, you can add additional weights to the barbell. Number 6, bird dog. Think of this as an upside down dead bug and follow as in this video. Be careful not to hyperextend your elbows, maintaining a slight bend to fire up those triceps. Keep the neck long by looking down and a few inches in front of you, and use the exhale portion of each breath to create tension. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a like and comment to show your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the icon for the notifications for our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.